हराम करदा चीज को हलाल कह रहे हैं, वो शरीयत मोहम्मदी से खारिज है। मैं सरे माम मजमे में खड़े होकर ये कहता हूँ कि कुरान से साबित किया है कि दहशतगर्दों का इस्लाम से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है। It's very easy to stand in Europe or to stand in England or stand in any part of Europe or America and say that criminal or terrorist is not a Muslim. He is against Islam and he is against the teachings of Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. It's very easy to say this in UK and Europe, but it is very difficult to stand in Pakistan in the thousands of people in front of media and say that we condemn hardliners, we condemn the preachers, we condemn terrorism. It's very hard. I know I am leaving myself open to attack, and I am saying the Quran of my Prophet and my Allah Almighty that terrorism has nothing to do with Islam. Terrorism is a kafir. Terrorism is a kafir. He has nothing to do with Islam. If you want to know that what is Islam, the one Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said that one woman, she saved a life of one dog. She will go to heaven. She will go to heaven. And there is one woman who killed a cat. She will go to hell. You say that Islam gives me permission to kill a human being. What nonsense is this? Islam and my Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says that even if you will kill a cat, you are not a Muslim. And even if you say a life of a dog, I will take you to the heaven, because the heaven is mine, world is mine, and universe is mine. Allah Karim हम सबको ये मेरा पैगाम था जो मैंने आलमी दुनिया को दिया कि इस्लाम का दहशतगर्दी के साथ कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है और दहशतगर्दों का इस्लाम से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है, इस्लाम से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है। We don't support any killer or any hardliners. We are peaceful people. Our Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam hadith and teachings are for peace. They don't give respect or place to any terrorist or any killer. And we are with our Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Allah Karim हम सबको मर्द दम तक रसूलुल्लाह का ममत हलाल रखे।